Hi boys and girls, and welcome to your math lesson. Today we're going to talk about all the different ways that you can show numbers. When you do your Subotai video, you are showing on your fingers. When he shows a number, you should be showing on your fingers. So if he shows 3 dots, you should be going 3. You're showing what he's showing at the same time. And the idea is that your brain can look at something and say, oh, that's 3, oh, that's 2, oh, that's 5, without even having to count, because you're getting so good at recognizing that. I went ahead and put our numbers from 0 to 5 on our chart here. And these are numerals. We express numbers with numerals. We write the number, and that is one way to show how many you have. Another way would be with fingers. If you look at this hand, it's showing 4 fingers. I'm going to put that by the 4, because that's another way to show 4. Now let's see what else we have here. I have another hand. One hand has 5 fingers. I don't even have to count. I just know that. So I'm going to put that next to 5. Now, I have another way to show 4. 4 animals with 4 zebras. I'm going to put that by 4. 1 elephant. 3 giraffes. That's another way to show 3. Now, look at that. There's nothing on this one. How many is that? Well, it's 0. Two dots. Go next to the 2. That's a way to show 2. 3 dots. It's another way to show 3. Oops, chart's leaning a little bit. 1 dot. The number 0 has 0 animals. Just like we have 1 elephant and 3 giraffes and 4 zebras, we have 0 animals here. 4 dots. 5 dots. 2 lions, 5 monkeys. There are so many ways that you can show how many. You can show it on your hands, you can show it with dots, you can show it with pictures of something. You can show how many in a lot of different ways. And it's really good that you get good at knowing how many there are without thinking, without having to count. You can just look. That's one of the reasons we play a lot of dice games, because when you roll that die, you're getting very familiar with how that pattern looks. You know that 5 is 4 dots in the corner and 1 in the center. You know that 6 is made up of 2 lines of 3. That helps you to be a better mathematician when you get older. Now, the last math assignment that you did before you worked in Math Seeds, we did 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. And I have that story below. I want you to act it out again, because we're really trying to get good at counting up to 5 and counting down. So let's start with our story. 0, okay? That is a number that you are going to want to focus on today. 0 means none. When we do the 5 Little Monkeys song, we start out with 5 and we go all the way to 0. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now I know that 3 is 1 less than 4, so I don't even really have to count. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. I know that 2 is 1 less than 3. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And then one little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And then finally it's no little monkeys jumping on the bed. So 0 is no little monkeys. That means nothing. Let's practice counting up and back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Practice that so that you get really, really good at it. After we master 5, we're going to go ahead and do 0. Now below, on the very bottom of your assignment page, you will have a worksheet that you will open in Notability. The first page is pumpkins and wagons. You count the number of pumpkins and you write how many. Think about our number poems. If it's 0, it's round and round just like an O. Now you've made the number 0. If it's 1, start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. If it's 2, make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way you make a 2. And then 3 is round and round just like a bee. Now you've made the number 3. 4 is down and over and down some more. Now you've made the number 4. And 5 is short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. Practice making those numbers, and then on the back you'll practice them again in rainbow writing. Do as many colors as you want, but at least 5 different colors. All right, girls and boys, have a great day. I can't wait to see you later.